Hello, in this lecture you will learn about the tab autocomplete in Linux. So let's get started. So when working at the command line, you can easily mistype a command, directory name or a file name. In fact, the longer directory reference or a file name, the greater chance you have on mistyping it. This is where our autocomplete can be a lifesaver. So the autocomplete allows you to start typing a file name or a directory name and then press a tab key to have the shell complete it for you. So for example, in this case we have ls, and as you can see we have my test file 2, and my very to 19 lengthy file here. And so when you write like this, ls my here, and you will show directories that start with my and underscore. So when you want to copy here, for example, so copy my or my here, and as you can see we have several options. Whenever I click on the tab, I'm going through these files here. So after selecting with the tab here and press enter, you're choosing file, and here as after that we will, for example, enter in new file, and here we copied our my very lengthy file to new file here. So lsl here, and as you can see here, the new file is just created in that time here. As you can see here, 134. So in this example, we typed the cp and then press the tab key, or we actually typed the my cp here, cp my, and we press the tab key, and then shell auto completed the rest of the file name. Of course, the destination directory had to be typed, but still autocomplete saved the command from several potential typographical errors. So the trick to using the autocomplete is to give the shell enough file name characters so it can distinguish the desired file from the other files. For example, if another file name started with, for example, really, or let's actually try what we have. Yeah, if another file name started with test here, pressing the keyword here, or like this, ls test, and pressing the keyword here that starts with TE here will show us our potential files that we are searching for. So instead you will hear a beep if you don't have anything to show you. So if this happens, you can press the tab key again, and the shell shows you all the file names started with really. So this feature allows you to see what needs to be typed for tab autocomplete to work properly.